In this video, we're going to show you how to fix the extend command not working properly in AutoCAD. The extend command is one of the most commonly used editing tools in AutoCAD. It allows you to quickly lengthen objects until they meet a boundary edge. When it stops working correctly, it can slow down your workflow and make drawing modifications much more difficult. Fortunately, there are several simple checks you can perform to get the extend command working normally again. Let's get started. First, check whether AutoCAD is using the newer Quick Extend mode. In recent versions of AutoCAD, Extend and Trim use a quick selection method by default. While this can speed up simple edits, it may not always behave as expected in complex drawings. Type Trim Extend mode in the command line and press Enter. If the value is set to 1, try changing it to 0 and press Enter again. This restores the classic extend workflow where you first select boundary edges and then choose the objects you want to extend. Now, test the command to see if the issue has been resolved. Next, make sure your objects can actually reach the selected boundary edge. The extend command requires a valid boundary edge. If the selected object cannot logically extend to the boundary, AutoCAD may not perform the operation. Zoom in and verify that the boundary edge is positioned correctly and that the object is pointing toward it. Another setting worth checking is Edge mode. Type Edge mode into the command line and press Enter. A value of 1 allows AutoCAD to use the imaginary extension of boundary edges beyond their visible endpoints. This is useful when lines appear close together but do not physically intersect. A value of 0 only allows extension to actual boundary edges. Choose the option that best fits your drawing situation. If the command still isn't working, check whether the objects are located on locked or frozen layers. Open the Layer Properties Manager and ensure that both the object you want to extend and the boundary edge are on unlocked and active layers. Objects on locked layers cannot be modified by the extend command. You should also verify the integrity of the drawing file. Type Audit in the command line and press Enter. Allow AutoCAD to scan and repair any detected errors. Minor drawing corruption can sometimes interfere with editing commands, including extend. Another common issue occurs when drawings are located extremely far from the origin point. If your geometry is thousands or millions of units away from 0, 0, AutoCAD may experience calculation inaccuracies. Consider moving the drawing closer to the origin and then testing the extend command again. Before we finish, let's quickly recap the troubleshooting steps. First, switch Trim Extend mode to 0 to restore the classic extend behavior. Second, verify that your object can actually reach the boundary edge. Third, check Edge mode and choose the setting that matches your intended workflow. Fourth, make sure the relevant layers are not locked or frozen. Fifth, run the Audit command to repair any drawing errors. And finally, if your geometry is located far from the origin, move it closer to 0, 0 and test the extend command again. Following these steps will solve most extend command issues and help restore smooth, predictable editing in AutoCAD. And that's how to fix the extend command when it's not working properly in AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AutoCAD tips and troubleshooting guides. See you in the next video.